season of Archangel Jophiel and the goddess Aphrodite, Archangel Rachel, the galactic battle in our sky. Please ponder. The day is now 36 hours and starts and ends at 3 am or 3 pm in an alternating fashion. At the time of this post 10:10 evening gate, on the 3D date 7520, the following 3 am will start this new day. Simply follow this parallel around the globe until it hits your local time at 3. If you are cognizant that a new day has begun, it is customary to send love and kindness to someone. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity 081 Infinity Infinity UA9 UA9B Infinity Infinity J4H 4H 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 4 Infinity Infinity B1 TT Infinity. Please visit us at archangeliccalendar.com for more information. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your continued support. The season of Archangel Jophiel and the goddess Aphrodite, Archangel Rachel, is officially here, which is always a joyous occasion. It was ushered in by a very special cleansing full moon, and this will cause a great sense of relief for the next 27 archangelic days. Our light is peeking throughout the clouds to reveal the children of the divine playing in the wondrous ocean, Archangel Jophiel. As a child, we noticed a different feeling at a certain point of summer vacation, an archangelic seasonal change would be the reason. You are more likely to notice these changes as a child when you are innately close to the powers of the divine. We lose this innate ability as education shapes our mind unless we are diligently staying the course and following our inner path. Gaia is back in the spirit setting, but at least we have a little dialogue as to why. It is her contention that there are many choices that we have yet to make. She is changing things one by one and asking our subconscious minds as to what we prefer. To our minds, this must feel an awful lot like a trip to the optometrist's office, with her forever asking if 1 or if 2 is better. We will help our legions cast their vote on the matters at hand in today's assignments. The brain knows way more than it lets on, it knows every possible outcome and direction on a subconscious level. It can aid your instincts with logic as needed, as it can calculate all possible outcomes within the 90% of the mind that we are not cognizant of. The quantum weirdness is about to go crazy, observing the number 44,747,474 will take the edge off for our legions. The galactic battle that we saw as the backdrop of many firework displays was easily squashed by our standard security. Although it did get caught by many media devices, it was not as dramatic as it may have looked. The Maxwell sisters are not super smart geniuses, they have been given technologies by malevolent star beings. These star races now feel that they have been the victims of a breach in contract and want it returned. Unfortunately, this technology is used in many branches of many governments, so it complicates matters greatly. There are many timelines where this plays out, we are not sure which one it shall take on because it's a 3D issue, but it should be interesting to watch unfold nevertheless. One of our most understated legions is the Plant and Animal Legion, but they are about to take the lead role in physical transmutation, which is a drastic change. When these events happen, please keep in mind these are our legions, and everything is well under control. Do not attempt to harm any swarming animals even if they are covering your home, they mean you no harm. What seems to be an increase in natural disasters is the self-destruct button of the CCP. This was obviously deliberate and was caused the same way the Fukushima earthquake was, even though the floods were accomplished by a much more crude method. In our 5D reality, we are giving the indigenous the heart of the planet as they know her rhythms the best. This means that the ways of the old will exist in this evolving modern world, with the tribes of Africa teaching humanity how to blend the two very effectively. There is a long history between the legions and the tribes of the Americas, as their first meetings are cherished on both sides of the story, and the pact that was made on that day still stands. It would be unfair for us not to mention the indigenous of Australia, as they will be leaders in medicine and community, and the indigenous of Asia, which will bring forth a newfound way to sustain resources, as well as the indigenous of the Arctic, who will bring light to the darkest nights. This very much ties into the influence the imagined cells have on all life, and the rhythms of our earth will be reset by this declaration. A dear friend of mine has left his body for a more free level of consciousness. He was one of the only people who showed me any kindness after my second coma, when in consequence, I lost everything that I owned, and my son. When I was forced into my estranged family's home, they made it as uncomfortable as possible. He checked on me every day like he did throughout my life. Knowing that I was on my own since I was 17, he and his family made sure I always had a place to go on Sundays and holidays, even though they were far from wealthy. Naturally, I felt that I had owed it to him to see him through to the other side safely. To my surprise, I walked in on a life review, which I had never witnessed before because this is a very personal thing that normally even the personality going through the event does not recall. Which leads me to this. I have walked the path my friend is about to walk 3 times in this personality. It has now become a beautiful process. It wasn't always this way, but it is now. We have engineered every natural process to the best of our ability, and this was only necessary because it was tampered with. I am very proud of our efforts in rehabilitating the life and death process. Bravo to every last being in our legions. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to do any harm to you, beyond space and time. We have gone through great changes and thus the weapon-based tools indicated below can be inserted into the ground to call forth downloads. Active, passive and aggressive. The violet flame team is in the 9 setting. This means that it is primed and ready for transmutation purposes. The violet flame team is as follows, and is in no particular order: Archangel Jermaine, Archangel Ansil, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Emmanuel, Archangel Tubil, Archangel Kerkil, Archangel Dabriel, Archangel Uf, Archangel Gzrael, Archangel Tatrasil, Archangel Agla, Archangel Harahil, Archangel Ashma, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Abraxos, Archangel Harahel, Archangel Nuril, Archangel Galizur, Archangel Orion, Archangel Omil, Archangel Adonachil, Archangel Abastahan, Archangel Vermil, Archangel Adonai, Archangel Dikviel, Archangel Baradil, and Archangel Ashma. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is completely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also an amazing weapon against electronics and technology as it can override any circuitry. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is completely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also an amazing weapon against electronics and technology as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field and it reacts to any life form with either loving energy, or with a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword that has a complete will of its own. Do not try to yield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Passive and active. Archangel Ezekiel's Medal of Radiance allows you to radiate healing and protective energy to yourself and all that you wish to send this to. It is beyond useful for things obvious and not so obvious. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Harut's Orb of Radiant Blast hits like a metaphysical neutron bomb to anyone who wishes to do you harm. It keeps anyone that may be giving you the evil eye from being able to harm you. Active. Archangel Zedekiel's Staff of Justice is a tool that is best used on a macro level and can help move things along that are stagnant. It can also summon and maintain force fields for protection purposes. Please note the next 3 tools are meant to be used in combination. They are sent to us to help us sustain our physical bodies. Active. Archangel Ariel's Wand of Comforts helps you summon any necessity you may have. It is a wonderful and comforting tool when equipped. Active, aggressive and passive, long and short range. Archangel Israfil's Flaming Sword can protect you against all things directed to you on a macro or micro scale. It can also speed up the time in which something you wish to manifest will come to fruition. Active, aggressive and passive, long and short range. Archangel Nasarajiel's Flaming Sword can bring any negative energy to its knees. It also can remove all obstacles in the way of something you wish to manifest. Please note the next three tools are healing modalities and can be sent remotely to loved ones. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Chaosiel's radiant rays of health wards off all diseases and illness. It can also aid in the recovery of diseases already inflicted. It can be sent to land masses as well as individual living beings. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Theliel's radiant compassion sends heartfelt love to all within your jurisdictions. This is the nurturing aspect of healing and it has incredible warmth. It is best to yield this with a calm frame of mind. Active. Archangel Raphael's healing staff is an omnipotent healing force that works gradually or intensively depending on how you yield it. It is considered the best general healing instrument. Today's assignments. We are still working on a macro level, and thus the format will stay consistent. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. I have to tell you, this is the number one thing that we are doing wrong right now, so we needed to put it into today's assignments. Gaia feels that we are being indecisive in the choices we face. The main topics to ponder are below. Please consider them, it matters in the most profound ways. Remember, we are all imagined cells, individuals that affect everything else around us. Pondering these notions and making a decision therein is like placing a vote, and when all the votes are tallied, the center point of all the views will manifest. Keeping this in mind, the higher the consciousness, the more weight your opinion will hold. Asterisk, do you want a financial structure? If so, in what way? If not, what's its replacement? Asterisk, what about organized religion? Is this something the lightworkers need to organize in such a way? Considering we are the spiritual leaders, many will follow. What say ye? Asterisk, do you think we need more or less leisure? There is a tremendous amount of transmutation needed to be done because of the full moon nonsense of Ode and their backyard parties. This will manifest as streams of black and gray density heading to the edge of the universe. Destroy this energy by hitting it from above with rainbow flames. Crudely speaking, this is how the higher dimensions squash grand plans, and it gives birth to the expression, man makes plans and God laughs. There are small malevolent portals materializing. These portals are set to let malevolent beings into this dimension. Destroy all newly formed portals with a blood red and black aura. Most of them will be very small, as it takes 3 full days for Ode portals to become operational. You can use sword and shield to close them, sew them up with a rainbow thread, or do both. There isn't much momentum in the direction of opening these portals, we just need to make sure we get them all to keep it that way. Organized darkness tried to do a spell that would force microchips into the hands of all people. This was initiated in the backyard of another word for fence, and his replacement wife. Envision the chip leaving the left hand of every man, woman, and child on earth, then envision them going directly down the throat, or opposite hole, of the couple pushing this agenda. This will cause them to answer for these motions, and it will hold them accountable for their intentions. Then, squash the virus that they are trying to release with emerald green flames engulfing the earth with the intention to do so for a 72 count. Finally, we must engulf the earth with violet, pink, and rainbow flames for a 72 count each. You will immediately feel the relief that these efforts inspire. Today's meditation is below. Please enjoy.